wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shelly. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys an empty house tour. I am 24. I just bought a house. It's gonna be an empty house tour, so all the furniture isn't here yet. There's a few things that we already have set up. You guys see once I show you guys each room, but I'm excited to share this with you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you want to be a part of this family. You know you do, it's free, so just go ahead and subscribe. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this empty house tour. Okay, so let's walk in. So when you first come into the house, there's some stairs here. I absolutely love it. It's some nice brown wood. I never used to be a fan of like the darker color wood, but it's just like the orangey looking color one. I'm actually loving this like deep brown wood here. You walk in, there is the family room, and I love that the family room has like these arch ceilings, which is great. If you guys hear my dog barking in the background, I just didn't want them running around while I was filming this, so it's much a Wawa barking. But anyways, this is a fireplace. I got some pampas flowers that I need to get a vase for to go by the fireplace, and I can't wait to get that set up. Guys, pampas flowers are so expensive, like they're really expensive. But anyways, I have this candle over here as well. It's a 3-layer vanilla latte candle, and I definitely be using this. It's great. I love me some candles. But yeah, this is the family room. It's empty. We don't have anything in here yet, but eventually there'll be a couch over here, and then a huge, well, we have the TV already, we just haven't set it up because I have to paint this wall. But the next thing is the living room. There's like stuff everywhere because I was painting this room. This room used to be blue, but now it's white. Painted it white all by myself. It took so long, you guys. This wall used to be the color of this ceiling right here, and so when I painted it, I had to do 3 coats. So I did 1 coat of primer and 3 coats of paint. And when I tell you guys, that was like hard work. It was hard work, but I'm glad to see that it turned out really nice. I love the all white look, and I can't wait to get like some furniture in here. But yeah, it's just an empty room for now with like paint buckets and stuff, but I want to get a wooden table to put in this room. The next room is, oh wait, I gotta show you guys the fish before we go into the next room. This is Dior. She's just swimming around. She's the star of the show over here. And here is the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and the table, like basically this table over here is probably gonna stay here, but then I'm gonna change out the 2 chairs here. Like these are chairs that we just had that we're using for right now, so we have somewhere to sit. Also, I'm still setting up my office, so that's why my computer's here. But yeah, I think we're gonna keep this table and just change out the chairs to something like really nice. But yeah, this is the kitchen. I'm gonna be changing the walls in here as well. They're gonna be white, and I love the countertops in here. It's really, really nice. And then also the color of this wood. Another thing that I like is that the cabinets are like soft close, so you don't have to worry about them slamming, which is pretty cool. But we have some of the appliances already set up: the air fryer, blender, Keurig, and my Google Home over here. But I love the kitchen so much. I also love that it has this huge countertop space, so when I'm cooking I can use this. Also, this beautiful thing here, I got this from TJ Maxx and I love it so much. I think it's so pretty. And yeah, this room is gonna be the guest room. As you can see, it's pretty empty. Hey! The next room, this is gonna be my studio. And I have nothing in here right now, so I gotta go buy some like desks. I think I'm gonna put some like studio lights in here. This room is gonna be pretty empty. It's like literally just gonna look like a studio. I don't want it to be too crowded or have too many pieces in here. So this is gonna be where I film my videos. This is the guest bathroom, and these walls are gonna be white as well. But yeah, this is it. This is her. This is her. This is very much her. The next room is the master bedroom. As you can see, like, you know, we have nothing going on here because I still have to get a headboard. I don't know what headboard I'm gonna get, but you know, just don't pay attention to the bed. This is like not the setup, obviously. And then we have the TV over here and the IKEA desk just to put the TV on. The TV is eventually gonna go on a stand, but this room is huge. I don't know if you guys can really tell from on the camera, but I can't wait to get this room set up. And in the master bedroom is the master bathroom, and this is where, let me turn the light on. This room is really awesome, really great. This is gonna be the first time I also have like a garden tub. So I love this garden tub back here. Definitely, this is one of the things that I was most excited about this house, is a garden tub, because I've always just had like the shower. So it's really cool to have both. So yeah, it's the shower over here, and then there is the bathroom in here. Nothing really decorated that much. This is all my skincare stuff here, and yeah, nothing decorated yet. Upstairs is the garage, just bikes, a car in here, nothing too much. It's very spacious. It's a 2-car garage, and then there is the laundry room here. It has the washer and dryer set up. We have the gym. We're still setting up the gym, and eventually the walls in here are gonna be black. So I wanna do the walls black, but we just have like the treadmill in here now, and then the weight machine in here, like dumbbells and stuff like that. But that's the only things we have in this room for right now. Eventually I wanna get some more weights, like a weight rack, jump ropes, stuff like that. But yeah, this is the gym room. And then this is the bathroom that's just like downstairs. So this is the third and last bathroom in the house. Next room is my boyfriend's game room. Super nice. He's still setting it up. Like I said, this is not fully decorated, so you know, don't be judging. This is just stuff kind of like everywhere right now, but this room is pretty big. I like how big this room is. And then also he has a fish tank, which I think is so cool. Look at the little fishies down here. Hey buddy. Hey buddy, make sure to like and subscribe. The last room is the game room. And right now we just have the pool table in here and just the basketball. Oh, let's see if I can make a shot. Oh. Oh. Hey. Hey. It's really hard to shoot with this camera in my hand. Hey, I made that last one. Our little doggies. This is Christian Dior. He's so cute. And then this is Zena. Say hey, Zena. Hey, Zena. Hey guys. Hey guys, they're so cute. But I have them just in the cage for right now. As I was like just trying to film this video, as I said. But yeah, that is it for this empty house tour. I hope that you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. eventually, hopefully soon, I will be able to show you guys the real home tour with everything renovated, all the furniture here. But as of right now, I'm excited. I've only been here for like 2 weeks maybe, and I'm just really happy. I'm really grateful. First of anything, I have to thank God for getting me to this point. Being able to own a house at 24 is pretty awesome, and so far I'm loving it. I'm enjoying it. But yeah, this is it for this video. I'm gonna end it right here, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Shelly Teller.